Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be seeing how to add watermarks to your videos in Premiere Pro. Before we head into this video, please go ahead and click the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell icon so you don't ever miss a video of mine. Now let's go. So I'll be showing you two types of watermarks that you can add. One will be adding text watermarks. So you can just add text to the video from Premiere Pro. You don't need any external text or any external picture. And the second will be to add your logo as a watermark to your video. So we're just going to import media to start. And you can see I have this footage to add watermark to and a logo. So that'll be the second way we're going to add our watermark. So here you can see this is our footage that we're going to add the watermark to. I prefer to do all this stuff in the graphics tab. So how I'm going to start is I'm going to click on the text option, or you can just press T. And I'm just going to click here and type Studio 9 right here. So you will go and look under graphics, effects control here. Under graphics, you're going to look for the text option. And here is where you will find everything. I'll just quickly shift back to my pointer tool. Yeah. So here you can make all the adjustments. So I'll just increase the scale a bit. What I always like to do is align this in the center. So you can go over here in graphics and you can align it to the center. I always like to do that because that makes it look a bit better while editing. So now after we've added our dark fill, we're going to add our outline. So we're going to leave our outline black and let's keep it, say, 50. That's a thick outline. Now, so how we're going to give it the watermark effect, how we're going to make it look all faded in, because when you're going to show this video on your website, because mostly people use this image on their stock footage websites, they upload it there and they ask for credits in return. So like this footage that I have downloaded this off a stock footage website. I don't have to give credits on this footage, but for many other footages or pictures, you will have to give credit to the website or the person that has captured that footage or picture. So to ensure that the footage is not stolen and just used at the editor's discretion, they add this watermark. And you'll see most watermarks are always faded into this. So this is where our opacity option, which is under here, comes in. So we're still under the text option right here, and you will go and look for the opacity option under rotation. Now we're just going to click on it and we're going to move it back and forth. So to get precision, I'll just type 50 and that looks fine to me. We've already centralized our text and everything. So that is how you add a text watermark. So I can just extend this, and now the whole duration of this clip, you can see that the watermark stays there. Now we'll move on to our logo. I'll just quickly extend this. Now click on that logo image, and you can do this however you want. You can scale it to the size you want, and then same as before, you're going to want to go and look for the opacity option. Like a very light logo you want to keep here, enough so that when you're showing the video on wherever you're showing it on your website, say, the logo is still visible but the main content of the video is not being hidden. So we'll just keep this at 15 maybe. Yeah, preferably you'll want to use a logo with a transparent background. Over here I have not used one with a transparent background, but this white square that you see, that should not usually be there unless your logo is a square. But over here the logo that I have created just for this purpose is a circle. So I've not used a transparent background. And this was pretty much it. Now you can just use this method however you're going to use it. Mostly, as I've already said, it is used by people who upload their footage after capturing it onto stock footage websites or many other websites, so they can maybe sell the footage to others or let other people use it by giving credits or redirecting them to the creator of the video or the creator of the picture, and the footage never gets stolen. And that was how you add a watermark to your videos. Once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button as well as the notification bell so that you never miss one of my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.